What is this guy doing?
There's
Oh my gosh.
flash. Watch out.
What is that sign? I'm going.
God, he's trying to make a U-turn on 23.
Let's see here. Make sure we got all that information right there. This guy, we're going 23 south, like south of Circleville. All of a sudden, he moves to the right where I thought he's pulling over. And then he just pulls out like he wants to make a U-turn.
Right in front of a truck.
Yeah, this Chevy here had to lock his brakes up in order to not hit him. The flip is his deal.